Good morning, my name is Komal Ankush. Today I will talk about the stem cell research. Stem cells, what they are and what they do. Stem cells offers great promise for new medical treatments. Learn about stem cell types, current and possible uses, and status of research and practice. You, you heard about stem cells in the news, and perhaps you wondered if they might help you loved one with serious disease. You may wonder what stem cells are, how they are being used to treat disease and injury, and why they are subject of such a vigorous debate. Here are some answers to frequently asked questions about stem cells. What are stem cells? Stem cells are the body's raw material, cell from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated under the right condition in the body or laboratory. Stem cells divide to form more cells called the daughter cells. These daughter cells become either new stem cells or specialized cells. Differentiation with more specific functions such as blood cells, brain cells, heart muscle cells or bone cells. No other cells in the body has the natural ability to generate new cell types. Why is there such an interest in stem cells? Researchers hope stem cell studies can help to increase understanding of how disease occur by watching stem cells mature into cell in bones, heart muscles, nerves, and other organ and tissue. Researchers may better understand how disease and condition develop, generate healthy cells to replace cells affected by disease, regenerative medicine. Stem cells can be guided into becoming specific cells that can be used in a people to generate and repair tissues that have been damaged or affected by disease. People who might benefit from stem cell therapies include those with the spinal cord injuries, type 1 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, Alzheimer's disease, heart disease, stroke, burns, cancer, and osteoarthritis. Stem cells may have the potential to be grown to become new tissue for use in the transplant and regenerative medicine. Researchers continue to advance the knowledge on stem cells and their applications in transplants and regenerative medicines. Test new drugs for safety and effectiveness. Before using investigational drugs in people, researchers can use some types of stem cells in test the drugs for safety and quality. This type of testing will most likely first have direct impact on drug development for cardiac toxicity testing. New areas of study include the effectiveness of using human stem cells that have been programmed into tissue-specific cells to test new drugs. For the testing of new drugs to be accurate, the cells must be programmed to acquire properties of the type of the cell targeted by the drug. Techniques to program cell into specific cells are under study. For instance, nerve cells could be generated to test a new drug for a nerve disease. Tests could show whether the new drug had any effect on the cells and whether the cells were harmed. Where do stem cells come from? There are several sources of stem cells. Embryonic stem cells. These stem cells come from embryos that are 3 to 5 days old. At this stage, an embryo is called as a blastocyst and has about 150 cells. These are pluripotent stem cells, meaning they can divide into more stem cells or can become any type of cell in the body. This versatility allows embryonic stem cells to be used to regenerate or repair diseased tissue and organs. Adult stem cells. These stem cells are found in a small number in most adult tissues, such as bone marrow or fat. Compared with embryonic stem cells, adult stem cells have more unlimited ability to give rise to various cells of the body. Until recently, researchers thought adult stem cells could create only similar type of cells. For instance, researchers thought that stem cells residing in the bone marrow could give rise only to blood cells. Thank you.